Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to reset your Instagram Explore page. If you are using Instagram and you want to reset your Instagram Explore page, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your Instagram app here and here just tap on the search option and you will get your Explore page. Now if you want to reset your Explore page, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply tap on your profile option in the bottom right corner and then tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner here. And here just scroll down and you will get the option of content preferences. Select that and here you just have to tap on sensitive content and here you have to select less option if you don't want to see sensitive content. And after that go to political content, and if you want to see political content, so you must have to enable this option which is suggest political content. If you don't want to see, just have to disable this. After that, go to interested option here. And if you want to see anything or any content in your explore page, so you must have to add it into your interested. Or if you find anything else that you don't want to see but you find it in your interested page, you must have to remove it from here, then go back from here, go to not interested, and you have to make sure that you haven't anything here. And after that go back and here you will get the option of specific words and phrases. So if you want to remove any specific word or any specific phrase, so you can add it here. And after that go back from here and then tap on reset suggested content. If you want to reset all of your suggested content, just tap on this next option, then tap on reset suggested content option, then tap on it again. And after that, your all suggested content will be reset or it might be that your explore page will be also reset. And after that, if you want to see any post related to your explore page option, so you must have to like that. For example, I want that I see these type videos in my explore page, so I'm going to hit it and then like this video. And after that, anything else you can do, you just tap on the three dots option and then tap on interested. Once you have added this video and you're interested, you will get more content like this video. Or if you don't want to see anything about that, so you must have to tap on the three horizontal line or three dots here, then tap on not interested option. So after that, you'll not get this type content into your explore page. So in this way, you can easily reset and create a new Instagram Explore page. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.